Hi, this is Mike Specian narrating. Oh, hi! Welcome to Coronado Beach. So we're here in Scottsdale, Arizona at Rainbow Point, Bryce Canyon, Zion National Park, at Angel's Landing, Randy's Restaurant in Flagstaff, Arizona, stopping off for delicious lunch, Joshua Tree National Parks, Wonderland of Rocks. Welcome to Chola Gardens. Okay, it's Wednesday morning. We are here at the North Kaibob Trail, at basically the rim of the north rim of the Grand Canyon. It's a long way to get here. You have to go all the way around the canyon through about 50 to 150 miles of forest, depending on where you start measuring from. Our goal is to head down to Roaring Springs, which is 5 miles and about 3,000 feet in elevation drop, and then to get back. We have now descended into the part of the canyon where they don't let the mules go. The earlier part of the canyon was very sandy, full of flies, horse manure, very difficult to navigate. This ground is a lot more densely packed. It's for hikers exclusively, it appears. The temperature at the rim was probably closer to 50 than 60, but now, according to a thermometer we just passed, the temperature is now already about 80, and only about an hour has passed. Thankfully, it's not too bad because we're not being bombarded by the sun. But as you can see, we're descending now into a pretty deep canyon. We've got a bridge. And apparently this mist that's present right now is set to dissipate later in the day as the sun grows higher. Here's the top of the canyon. So that's where we started earlier in the day. And then we walked that path right over there. And then I climbed up this hill, where up there you can see there's a waterfall. I found the waterfall, and I just started climbing rocks until I managed to get to my present location. This is, as you can see, completely off the beaten path. There is no man-made path. You have to climb through wilderness to get to this location. But I can tell you that this water right here, ice cold. And this little waterfall seems to go up and up and up. But this is a remarkable location, deep within the heart of the Grand Canyon. I'm pretty high from where I started. Check out what I found. ramen.